So why chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra when there are so many mantras given in the scriptures? Yes, there are numerous mantras that have been given in the scriptures, but still the Hare Krishna Mahamantra is regarded as the Mahamantra. What do you mean by the Mahamantra? Which means that it has the greatest position. It has the greatest position amongst all the other mantras that are given in the Vedas. Hare Krishna Mahamantra essentially contains the names of the Lord. Secondly, it is prescribed in the scriptures to be chanted in this age of Kali, in this age of distraction, in this age of quarrel. The Kali Santarana Upanishad, which actually advises how you can get delivered in this age of quarrel. It's a specific Upanishad which advises you what you should do in this age of Kali, that is Kali Santarana Upanishad. In that it is stated that this Hare Krishna Mahamantra is iti shodashakam namnam kalau kalmashanashanam. It has the power to destroy the vices, the ill effects of the age of Kali. And that is why the Hare Krishna Mahamantra is prescribed amongst all the mantras that you can actually find in the scriptures. The easiest way to establish a relationship with the Supreme Lord and to have realization on the Atmic platform as well as on the Paramatmic platform, that is, have the realization of your own self as well as the Supreme Lord, this Hare Krishna Mahamantra is the only tool that you should accept and get delivered in this particular life. Hare Krishna Mahamantra is so powerful that if somebody surrenders to the chanting of the Mahamantra in whatever form, essentially in the Japa form and of course in the Sankirtana form also, chanting, congregational chanting together, this Hare Krishna Mahamantra has all the power to reveal the form, the glories and the pastimes of the Supreme Lord. So people who want to actually have the darshan of the Supreme Lord, many people ask, how can I see God? If you really want to see the Supreme God, first and foremost thing is take shelter of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Once that is done, rest will follow. So please chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,